Um, Most people don't know, unless you're in this field as an ear, nose, and throat specialist, that inside of the ears are two tiny itsy bitsy muscles. And two muscles in each of those inner ears are an extensor and a flexor, opposite muscle types. And when those little muscles aren't exercised correctly because of inflammation or illness and infection, then they don't send the right tones into the brain correctly for it to be in there correctly. And so those little muscles get flabby. And so they literally cannot send the right sounds in. And flabby muscles in the ears, flaccid actually is the right word, um, actually then cause a child to be oversensitive to sound. And it causes the whole nervous system to be hyperactive because all the sounds are coming in and the muscles can't contract to control where that goes or how it's filtered through the wiring. And so then there's a psychological shutdown. It's almost like a child is standing in the middle of a TV sales room with all 20 TVs on different channels, trying to say, which information am I supposed to take in? It's too much. It's like that for many children when they start first or second grade. They don't know where to focus because their ears aren't working properly to focus their brain. And so they shut down psychologically or become the class clown or the disruptor to, they don't understand what's going on. So in many ways, this therapy is a physical workout with audio bursting, audio exercises of high and low, and pressures, audio pressure bursts that literally take those tiny little muscles in 6 to 10 weeks. And those little muscles can absolutely produce all the thousands of spectrum of tonality, and it puts it into the brain correctly and stimulates the wiring of the brain to actually regrow in a coherent way. Because the music isn't just sounds, it's beautifully orchestrated. Sometimes Mozart, sometimes other classical pieces, but all of the orchestra pieces, the flute, the violins, the bass, the trumpets are part of it because those are timbres of sounds that actually construct our brain geometrically. Sounds, the work of Richard Marek in his book Interference, a musical study of how all music organizes everything geometrically, including the spheres around us.
Right.
I've been studying that and I'd like to reach out to him and say thank you for spending 30 years to write the science and the mathematics of why my work actually works.